Hi guys, you're welcome back again to my channel. I'm Confidence, a mommy vlogger based here in Abuja, Nigeria. If today is your first time coming across my channel, you're highly welcome. Please relax and enjoy today's video. So in today's video, we are actually going to be sharing more knowledge on how to actualize your spiritual gift without doing it doing it in a traditional way. How to do your calling in a normal way. You can heal people without soaking your hands. You can save people's life without doing anything diabolic. So I just want to it is an eye opener again. And before we proceed to today's video, I want to say this thing to each and all of my new subscribers. Please, if you are joining me, join this family with your good mind. I don't want to have anybody that will give me headache. I don't want to associate myself with anything that will not please my heart, that will not be of good to me or anybody watching me. Okay, so why I'm saying this is that some of the things, recently I'm sharing more knowledge about our spiritual life, and some people are coming to my DM to attack me, saying, oh, you just want to draw customers, you just want to draw views. No, I am not doing it to draw views. Okay, the little one I am having on my channel, I am always busy, so I am not doing it to draw views. Do you understand? Now, so today I'm not doing it to draw views. We are saying the truth. So if you like, you hear you listen to the truth. If you don't like, you divert to anybody that is of good to you. Okay, so that's basically me for you. All right, so now the topic that brought us today is that how to actualize how you can start your spiritual journey without having an altar, without having a shrine. Now, this one is the secret of medical doctors. The secret of medical doctors. You will find out that in a situation whereby you go to hospital, there is one particular doctor that is well known. Without that doctor being present in that hospital, many people will turn back and go, or some of them will wait for him. All these things are gifts. He was called, he has a gift of healing, and he diverted to medical. There are some medical doctors that okay, they just want to do medical, they want to be a medical doctor because of their parents, to fulfill their parents' wish. Do you understand? Now, today we are not talking about that one. We are talking about the gift of those people that are called doctors in the hospital. Normally, they like to heal, and when they heal, you find that any little thing they give to you or to your children, they will heal automatically. The reason why I am saying this is that you must not have an altar. You must not wait from thy kingdom come for you to start your spiritual journey, for you to answer your call. There are a lot of us that have spiritual gifts, and we don't wait to actualize it. It manifested on its own. The gift manifested on its own. You can start your spiritual journey in any way possible. If you find out that you have this spiritual calling, go ahead. Go ahead. You can be a nurse. You can be a doctor. That is for spiritual healings. The gift of healing. those that have the gift of healing. Those that have the gift of healing. If you don't want to be a prophetess, you don't want to be a pastor, or you don't want to be an evangelist or evangelica, what you are going to do, divert it to medical. Divert it to medical practitioners. It will help you. If you don't have money for medical, go and learn chemist. Go and learn chemist or pharmacist. In my village, even here in Abuja, they are learning it all the time. Go and learn it. Go and practice it. Once you learn, you will find that even if it is water you give to your patient, that person will get healed. That person will be healed automatically. There is no two ways about it. Don't wait till thy kingdom come before you answer your call. Don't wait until Jesus come from heaven before you answer your call. Yesterday I did about giving, alms giving. I said a lot about alms giving, how you can be giving, and a lot of people was telling me that why should on my DM they are coming to tell me that why should I tell people to give? My brother, my sister, it's not by force to give. It is in your heart. It is your heart, and don't ever think of what you will receive after giving. Okay, so that in anything that you are removing, God will bless you. In anything that you are removing, you are giving, God will replenish it in 1,000-fold. If you have, for those that have spiritual gift of healing, go and attend school of nursing. Nursing school will be okay for you. Nursing school is okay. Now, and for those that have spiritual gift of healing, if you don't have money for school of nursing, and you don't have money for school to be a doctor, doctoring school, and you don't have money to also to learn chemist or pharmacist, go and learn herbal roots. All those medical medicine are also in herbal roots. When you are learning herbal roots, you don't pay yearly, you pay once to learn. Then you go and gather money and learn how to heal through herbal roots. Through herbal roots, people will get to know you. Once you heal one person, another person will go and tell his brother or her sister or her brother also. Once you know what you are doing, good market sells itself. For those that have spiritual calling, the spiritual gift of healing, you people are the reason why I am here in your presence today. Go and learn it, and you will see how you will heal a lot of people. You will see how things will move for you. Okay, don't wait. Okay, a lot of I see, like there's all this children doctor. When you go to hospital, you see a lot of children doctors, but there are some people that have their favorites. They have that spiritual gift of healing, and that is why they attract a lot of people. People associate with them. People want them in particular to heal them, to give them medicine. Not that if you give to another person, it will not heal your child, or it will not heal you as well. But because that person is ordained, that person have that oil on his forehead, that is why people come looking for them. So you are going to do consultation. That is how you are going to know if you have the spiritual healing. Even through your dreams, you will know if you have spiritual healing, spiritual gift of healing. Through your dreams, you will know. Some of us, they show us a lot of herbs. Some of us, they show us a lot of medicine through our dreams. So what we are going to do is to do consultation and find out what next step for you to take. And you go and learn it. Herbal root is not diabolic. It is not fetish. Herbal roots, it is not diabolic. It is not fetish. It is your mind. Okay? Then you learn it, you start healing people. And as you are doing it, may God prosper the works of your hand. May God prosper you. May God bless the works of your hand. And anybody that you give medicine, may that person receive instant healing. Amen and amen and amen. Amen. Thank you if you have watched me up to this point, and I will see you guys in my next video. For now, stay safe and remain blessed. I love you guys. Bye.